thought you'd change the weather, start a little storm, make a little rain. I'm gonna do one better, hide the sun until you pray. I'm a tornado, looking for a soul to take. You're gonna see me coming by the selfish things that you did, and I'm gonna leave you guessing how this funnel is gonna hit. I'm a tornado, looking for a man to break.
Strong air, yes I am. With only my breath, I do all that they can. Air comes from me, I breathe life to all. Without my wind, your lives would fall. Earth, your plants all bow to my power. Trees bend to might, soft like a flower. For I am the king, I rule all today. You can't run or hide, I'll blow you away. Blow, swish, gush, thunder! Steady, roof, I come under. I'm always wide, through and around. Nothing you make, I can't blow down. It's not all bad, yes I do please. An autumn gust carries fresh falling leaves. Soft wafting air, sweet summer flow. Drifting cold winds carry light falling snow. Water, when you lie in vast oceans wide, into the air, your vapors I guide. I stir you up and ripple your still. Cloud and rain, water's deep wells to fill. Fire! Your flames are nothing without smoke. Encourage your embers, I give you hope. You're not without me, your flame will go out. Be wary of me, or my thunder will shout.